How to log into your Cashplus account on your device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Cashplus account is logged out of your previous like your old device, right? So after doing that, you can simply open your Cashplus, make sure that it is logged in, make sure that it is installed on your new phone. Then from here you can now select the language of your choice, then tap on continue. So after doing that, all you need to do is add in your phone number. So after adding down your phone number, all you need to do is tap on continue, right? So after doing that, you might actually get a 6-digit code OTP on your SMS. So in order to verify it, so simply write in that OTP and then verify your number. After doing that, there might also be requirement of adding down the ID and the password of your account. Simply fill up those and then tap on login, and just like that, you will be logged into your Cashplus account on your new device. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.